Hi, my name is Adam Malik and I'm the co-founder of Art of Sound. Have you ever been to a restaurant where it is so loud you cannot hear anyone? Well, we have created a sound-absorbent painting that is both stylish and unique. Did you know that the average noise quality in a restaurant is 85 decibels or higher? Now, 85 decibels or more is very harmful to the human ear and can lead to many long-term effects such as deafness and hearing disorders. Also, the art is customizable to the client's preferences. This can be for anyone in the culinary industry trying to make their restaurant more appealing to their customers. We are trying to reduce noise quality by using low-density foam and art. Now, our goal is to satisfy customers with their experience. Our first UN Sustainable Goal is number 3, good health and well-being. We are creating good experiences and connections in restaurants and in busy places. Our second UN Sustainable Goal is number 9, innovation, industry, and infrastructure. We are creating a unique, self-built product. Our third UN Sustainable Goal, number 11, sustainable cities and communities. We are creating long-lasting paintings to help those communities thrive and interact with each other.